Hi, welcome friends. I am Sanjeev here. I will discuss the chart analysis of today and yesterday based on the process which I already shared in my channel. Those who have watching my video, if you have not seen the video yet, so I would request please go through this video so that you can understand the process well. Let's start. Before start of the market, what we have to do, and basically I will mark the key reference level from the previous day's profile, correct? So for that I am marking the VPOC of 9th of January, value area high of that day and value area low also. What happened on 10th of January? Market opened near the VPOC of previous day. After opening, it went above to the 42,774 and rejected and closed at low, but not below the low of last 1 hour profile, correct? So in such case I will wait to close below that value area low. After closing, if my RR is permit or RR is good, so then only I can take the short trade. So yesterday already market closed below that value area low and RR also was good enough, because if I take the short trade from here, my target would be that value area low, which is from 6th of January, correct? So I take the short through P with the SL of day high plus some ticks, correct? So when I taken the short trade, I simply draw the anchored VF from the opening candle. So it is the anchored VF from opening candle, so that anchored VF will be the day VF as well, right? So after taking P, we have a nice follow through to the downside. So after reaching that zone, 42,312, market tried to go above and it tested that VF and rejected nicely, which shows that okay, seller is strong today and we'll have some trend day down, right? So whenever I have seen such kind of rejection, I simply draw another anchored VF from here, and this is the anchored VF you have seen, right? You are seeing here again another small imbalance to the downside, and after reaching that again market starts to balancing here, correct? And in this process market formed another overlapping to the down 1 hour profile, correct? So somehow market is contracting, and again we may have some imbalance move either to the upside or to the downside. So for upside, as I am short from here, so for upside my SL would be, if market close above V up or that value area high, simply I will book my P. But it never happened. Market go above with this wide range bar, and this was my point of interested zone or level, but subsequently market rejected that zone, and again we have another nice down imbalance move, and in that move market already hits my target, correct? So my target was that, and again somehow I was a little greedy, okay? Market may test that value area low also, because it was the 6th of January last 2 hour balancing zone, right? From where another imbalance to the upside move happened. So somehow I was expecting that okay, market may test that zone also. So already market hits that zone, but I did not book my PE. Again market slowly start to move down, but this is a kind of exhaustion move to the downside. So whenever I have seen again that candle, I simply book out my trade from here, right? After that I have not taken any trades for that day. I simply just watched the last 2 hour auction. That is how market closed, and finally market closed near at the VPSC. So that is the trade I have taken on 10th of January. Only one trade I have taken. Now what happened today? Similarly, we opened at the VPSC of yesterday. After opening, tried to go up but rejected, and we have a good wide range down bar, but it did not close below that value area low. So I was just watching, and finally that candle broke that value area low and closed here. So somehow I was seeing that okay, if I take the short trade from here, so then my SL would be here. So this is a huge wide zone, so RR would be not good. So simply I just avoid that trade, and I was watching okay, what's next. Somehow I was expecting that okay, if market retraces back towards that zone, so then I will try to short again, correct? But finally that a big algo driven moves here happened. So totally unaware of that move. I was totally unaware of that move, so simply I just was, and obviously I missed that move, correct? So after having such wide range move, I simply moved towards the Nifty chart today. I just avoided the Bank Nifty. But when I observe the Nifty chart, a similar kind of auction happening also in Nifty here also. So I have not taken any trades, and this is the zone I marked as a resistance zone for Nifty. So let me show that why I marked that zone as a resistance zone. Okay, so let me remove that zone, and also I will hide that indicator also. So I will explain, that is I am explaining here why I have marked that zone as a resistance zone, correct? So what is the profile? It's a B-shaped profile, right? A small B-shaped profile, and in market profile, small B-shaped profile represents the long liquidation profile. So what we have, what we are seeing here, it is the VPSC of yesterday. It is the value area high, and it is the value area low. Above value area high, this is the area, or this is the zone where a small volume is attached. So this zone is called the LVN zone, and also above LVN, this is also another zone where a good volume is attached, right? So this zone is called the HVN, and yesterday's down move also happened from here. So that is why it is the LVN and this is the SVN. That is the why this zone is the point of interest, right? So I marked that zone as an resistance zone. If market somehow closed above that zone and start accepting here, so simply I will negate my bearish bias, and I will look for long setup only and long trade only, correct? So let's focus now what happened today. Market slowly accepting, and finally it tested that yesterday value area high. A single candle rejected, again pushed up, right, and reached that zone. After reaching here, when I have seen this hammer candle, and I forgot to mention that, so as I have seen a huge volatility in the opening, so I moved to the 3-minute time frame today. So I am using here a 3-minute time frame chart, right? So I have taken a short trade from here with the SL of here 18,080, and I draw another anchored VF from here, and we have seen that okay, market did not go above that anchored VF, and it respected and rejected, and my target was yesterday value area low, and finally market reaches here and I simply book my P trade here. Let me activate that indicator. So what happened after hitting that value area low, again market starts to accept here and form a nice balance profile here. So somehow I have understood that okay, market may not go down further, and some kind of whipsaw, or we have another up move till that zone, or means till day high as well. So when market reaches that value area high, I have seen a rejection, right? I've seen a rejection again, tried to go above that value area high here and rejected. And when I have seen that rejection, I simply take another short trade from here for the target of value area low, and my SL was here somewhere at 18,010, and slowly market auctioning here, tested that VPOC, again rejected. But interesting point is there, whenever market reaches that anchored VF, every time rejected here, so someone is there who is selling, maybe a limit selling as well, right? So simply I was just watching. So on that candle market tried to go up, but nicely rejected, and finally market hit that value area low, and I booked that short trade also here, value area low, and already I have written that trades whenever I have taken already in groups, and I will show you because my intention is that what I am saying here, basically I am doing practically. So that is the point only actually, and that trade also I shared in my Twitter timeline. You can check here, check there. Already I published the chart, correct? So after reaching that value area low, market start accepting, and whenever I have seen such kind of acceptance, so I expect that okay, market now go to test that value area high also. So for that I have taken the first trade in Bank Nifty from here. I have taken a long trade from here through 42,100 C. I bought at 218, and whenever it touched that VPOC, I simply book that trade. I booked that through market order, so it executed at 283. So these are the trade which I have taken yesterday and today. I hope you will like. So if you like, so please subscribe my channel and share it to your nearest friends, close friends, and also in social media, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.